Are you staring down at your phone watching this right now? We don't realize how much time we spend hunched over in this position. Every degree forward that our head goes, the more stress it puts on your neck. Over time, this can weaken your neck curve, lead to tightness in your shoulders, headaches, and even early onset arthritis. But the good news is chiropractic can restore motion and even help rebuild that neck curve. So use this as your reminder to look up when you're using your phone, protect your neck. But if you're ready to feel the difference, come see us at Align Chiropractic Center.